In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter in Squarespace. Whether you're engaging with a broader audience or fostering a more intimate relationship with your existing subscribers, adding a newsletter to your Squarespace site is a straightforward way to amplify your message. Now, let's dive in and get started on achieving just that. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already signed into your account, make sure you do that now. Once you're all logged in, look for the Get Started button and give that a click. This is going to guide you directly to your Squarespace dashboard, the control center for all things related to your site. When you land on the dashboard, find and click on Edit Site. This will open up your site in editor mode and is where you can make modifications to the layout, content, and more. Now, you'll see various options to add new elements to your site. Look for an option that says Add Block. Click on this, and you should see a variety of block types you can add. In this instance, we're going to go with the newsletter block. With the newsletter block now on your page, you'll want to open up the block editor to start configuring. You can do this by clicking on the small pencil icon that appears on the block. Inside the block editor, you'll find several tabs that give you granular control over how your newsletter functions and appears. The first tab you'll see is the Content tab. Here you can set up the newsletter block's basic information and content. This is where you'll craft the message your audience will see, and it's also where you can add a post-submit message or specify a URL to redirect your subscribers after they've signed up. It's a great place to leave a thank you message or offer a free download as a token of appreciation. Next, click over to the Design tab. This is where the magic of customization happens. You can tweak the layout, colors, fonts, and styling to ensure your newsletter form aligns with your brand's aesthetic. A consistent brand appearance will offer a seamless experience for your users and leave a lasting impression. After that, it's time to head to the Storage tab. This is a crucial step because here you'll select where you want the subscriber emails to be stored. Squarespace offers multiple storage options, including direct integrations with popular email marketing services. You can also enable subscriber verification to ensure that all signups are legitimate and double-checked. Once you're satisfied with all the changes and customization, don't forget to hit Save. This button immortalizes your hard work and sets the changes live on your site. Remember, saving your work makes sure no adjustments get lost. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a newsletter form to your Squarespace site. With this new feature, you're now ready to engage with your audience in a whole new way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.